Hey everyone, it's Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to view your transaction history on your PlayStation 5 so you can see everything you've ever bought. So if you accidentally bought something, you can look it up on here. So go on over to Settings, go to where it says Users and Accounts. Then wait for this to load and go to where it says Payment and Subscriptions, and we can find our transaction under here. Then if we go to where it says Transaction History, choose this option. And once we select this, we're going to have to choose our email and go to continue. So let's choose our email and go to continue. Now pick a date. So I got the start date on here. I'm just going to change the year. And I believe I can go back all the way to 2012 or something like that. So let's do that. And then go to continue. And then we can look at our transaction history. So we can see the most recent thing I bought or added to my account. Should be Funding the Wallet. Yes, for $5. And then I bought Delta Force. This is a free-to-play game. Gears of War Reloaded, My Heroes 1, Justice 2. I think that's PlayStation Plus, DayZ, PlayStation Plus, etc. And then we can go on through this list. So if we keep on going down through here, we can see everything we ever bought. So if you're adding like free things or adding PlayStation Plus or something like that, that's going to be added on here too. So I just went back maybe 3 years. And it's loading more, and I can go back even further. So if I go to this date right here, let's try going to like 2013 or something like that. Go to continue. And we can see some of the first things we've ever purchased through here. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.